Gemini, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for March 16 to 31, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see. Gemini. March 16th to 31. This is your overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, blessing, money, your career, your health, and your love life. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Swords, Gemini. You have a lot of worries. Marami kayong iniintindi, iniisip. Nag-overthink na kayo, nasa-stress na kayo. Yung iba, napapasigaw na lang kayo talaga. This can be pressure sa family, no? Pressure sa kanilang expectations sa'yo. Especially sa iyong mother. You have the moon here. Or merong mga issues na kailangan kang ayusin sa family mo. Na minsan kasi parang ipinapasa na sa'yo yung lahat ng iintindihin, lahat ng kailangang ayusin na feeling mo wala ka ng katuwang sa buhay, mag-isa ka na lang, 'di ba? Nakaka-stress naman talaga pag ganun. Overall energy nyo, 7 of Wands. You're setting boundaries, Gemini. Baka yung iba sa inyo, kung ito yung tipong parang yung family member keeps on asking sa mga mga bagay na pwede mong gawin para sa kanila. Pwedeng pabor, pwedeng pera. I think you are setting your boundaries, no? Parang dinidepensahan mo na yung sarili mo dito na hindi sa lahat ng oras ay bukas ang karinderya para sa lahat ng gustong kumain. Alam mo yun, na parang always available ka para sa iba. You also need to protect yourself. Set boundaries na hanggang dito na lang. Kasi 'di ba minsan naaabuso. Na halimbawa, itong isang tao na to, lagi na lang hingi ng tulong sa'yo. Ikaw naman, tulong ka lang ng tulong. Na minsan, naisip nila na hindi na nila nagagawa ng solusyon on their own. Kasi alam nila, nagagawan mo ng paraan yun. 'Di ba? So, it's not really helping them. Hindi ka nakakatulong sa kanila in terms of independence. Kasi nakaasa pa rin sa'yo. Your challenge is the sun. Ang challenge mo ngayon, you might feel under the weather. Alam mo yung parang laging pagod, parang drained ka, especially kung may mga tao na parang dinadump sa'yo yung mga problema nila. Yung lagi kang kinakausap, ito, reklamo, ganyan. So, yeah, you have to protect your energy. Take back your power, Gemini. And then your opportunity, Apprentice of Swords. I think may opportunity ka ngayon, libangin mo yung sarili mo para mag-aral. Libangin mo yung sarili mo na mag-explore, mga bagong ideas, bagong kaalaman that will improve your skills. You also have the opportunity to be open to someone na parang heart-to-heart talk na meron kang kakausapin para magkaroon ng clarity sa situation ninyo. This can be a most likely mga friendship, no? Or can be romantic rin if you are connecting with someone romantically. Your blessing is temperance. This is healing. Ang blessing sa'yo is you are going to heal from within. Kasi i-allow mo yung sarili mo na mag-heal. And one way to heal yourself is, of course, to protect your energy na, no? Umiwas na doon sa mga taong nagdadala ng problema sa iyo. And temperance is also about being patient. Being patient to yourself, na alam mo na may mga bagay ngayon na nahihirapan ka pang i-achieve. Pero alam mo sa sarili mo na kailangan mo lang ng pahinga. Kailangan mo lang alagaan mo na yung sarili mo at alam mo na babalik ka ulit para abutin ulit yung goals mo. Sa money, you have the Lovers. So, this is contract. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng uutang or may mati-take out na loan. Ma-approve yung loan mo kasi this is agreement. Pwede rin na merong help from your romantic partner or someone you love. Tutulong sa'yo financially. This is also a major decision pagdating sa pera. So, pwedeng merong kang parang you're going to decide what you will do sa pera mo. Are you going to keep it? Are you going to invest it? Or are you just going to save it? And then your career, judgment. May change sa career mo. Pwedeng change ng career, change ng business, may transformation. I think you are finally realizing your worth, yung halaga mo. Pagdating sa oras at panahon, energy na binibigay mo, oras, panahon na binibigay mo sa trabaho. And if you feel na parang hindi mo na deserve yung nakukuha mo, yung benefits mo sa trabaho na yan, or sa career na yan, or sa business na yan, you're letting that go. And then, for your health, you have the 9 of Cups. It's time. It's time to think about your happiness. It's time to think about your well-being, Gemini. So, I think you're going to treat yourself. Yung tipong magpapamassage ka, gugulo mo yung sarili mo, you will buy some things that you need. So, self-care, self-love. And then, for your love life, you have the 6 of Pentacles. If you're connecting with someone romantically, meron kang partner na handang tumulong sa'yo, handang, parang karamay mo talaga. Someone who understands you. Talagang naiintindihan ka. Parang helping hand sa'yo. If you are single, I think mas tinataasan mo yung standards mo sa relationship. Gusto mo yung tao na nagre-resonate talaga sa values mo, sa visions mo about life. Kasi kung hindi, wag na lang. Parang ganun. You have a long distance travel. This is also breaking free. And being in control. Meron, some of you are leaving something behind. Meron kang iiwanan na situation that is no longer serving you. Yeah, it's over. Yan, spilled milk. Some of you, pwedeng, if you are into, kung naghahanap ka ng karelasyon ngayon, parang maaring makikilala mo siya elsewhere. Pwedeng online or pwede siyang foreigner. Oo. Someone who will give you value sa buhay mo. Who sees your value. So, kung hindi yun yung ipuperso mo. So, for you, very ka na, mapili pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon. You know what you deserve. Records. Maaring meron kang mga aayusin, papeles, documents. Yung iba naman, this can be your Akashic records, like past life records mo, no? So, hindi naman para sa lahat yan, but maaring magkukonsulta ka sa isang yung nagko-conduct ng past life regression. Oh, you have the Death card, which is transformation. Endings and new beginnings. So, some of you, ito ay related sa career ninyo kasi may Judgment dito, which is also a rebirth. So, maaring sa trabaho, career, or business, may nagbabago. You are leaving things behind to start something new. O, ito na yung pag-aalaga sa sarili nyo. Pamper yourself. Self-care is a necessity, not a luxury. Yes, kailangan na natin yan. Hindi porket nagpamasahe ka, you are going to feel guilty, nagpamassage ka. No. You need it, lalo na kung masipag kang tao, no. Self-worth. Why settle for crumbs when you deserve the whole meal? Diba yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na you will not settle for anything less. Kung sa tingin mo hindi mo din-deserve, then move on, go to a new direction. And hahanapin mo yung iyong magbibigay sa'yo ng pagpapahalaga. Okay? So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.